Hello, this is Chloe. Today I want to show you our ready mold. This is a Zamac cap with a silver platin shiny effect. You can see the details. The surface is very smooth, like a mirror. This shape is very special. See? And we have a plastic inner PP inside. Also, we have another color. If you want this, contact us. And I will show you this cap. This cap can match many kind of a bottle, like this square bottle. You can use this cap to match. See? It's nice. If you want to use another color, looks good. This color looks very young. Also, we have a white color. This is painting. Zamac cap with painting the white color. Matte effect. And this is shiny effect. So which one do you like? Which one is better?